Welcome to day 23 of 30 days of machine learning. Today we are going to understand confusion matrix. Look at this data set. We have got some clinical measurements. These four are the columns which are going to predict heart disease, and we want to apply machine learning methods to them to classify whether or not someone will have a heart disease or not. To do this, we can use logistic regression, k-nearest neighbors, or random forest, or some other method. And how do we decide which one works best for the data? So for that, we do a train test for all of them. We see a confusion matrix. Now, while making confusion matrix, we can see that the rows in the confusion matrix correspond to what the machine learning algorithm predicted, and columns correspond to the known truth or the actual values. We have true positives. These are the patients that had heart disease that were correctly identified by the algorithm. True negatives predicts that did not have heart disease that were correctly identified by the algorithm. False negatives are when a patient has heart disease, but the algorithm said they didn't. And false positives are patients that do not have heart disease, but the algorithm says they do. Now, the green boxes are the ones which we need, which we understand that, okay, the model predicted really right, which tells how many times the samples were classified correctly. The red boxes are the samples where the algorithm messed up, where it predicted really wrong. So for both random forest and k-nearest neighbor, if we compare, we can see the k-nearest neighbor was worse than the random forest in predicting the true positives and even the true negatives. So clearly, we had to choose between using the random forest and k-nearest neighbors. We would choose random forest. Now, similarly, if you can see for the logistic regression, we can clearly see there is a confusion that which one to choose because both are really nice. And in such cases, we use a different other metric like precision, accuracy, recall, sensitivity, and F1 score. For that, if you need the J23, comment link and I will share you the proper confusion matrix in your